Screencasts give students a combined audio-visual learning environment, allow students to learn by example, and offer students 24/7 online access to knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up screen recording using your iPad. In iOS 11 or later, and iPad OS, you can create a screen recording and capture the sound on your iPad. Let's set up your screen recording function first. Go to Settings, tap Control Center, tap Customize Controls, look for Screen Recording, tap the green plus button next to the screen recording. Swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen. Press deeply on the screen recording button and tap Microphone. Tap Start Recording, then wait for the 3-second countdown. Notice you're still on the control center. Tap once and tap twice to exit the control center. And now you're on recording. In this case, I would like to talk about Singapore. This is particularly good when you want students to practice on their speaking skill, recap of what they've learned in their notes. After finished, open the control center again, tap on the red button to stop, or alternatively, tap the red status bar at the top of your screen and tap Stop. Screen recording video will be saved to the photos. Now this is the video. Tap on Edit to trim the unnecessary. Tap Done. Save video or save video as new clip. Then students can tap on Share to airdrop to you or upload it to desired learning space. Students can also create own screen recording while working on something to demonstrate their understanding or record to share ideas with the teacher. Please note that you can't record your screen and use screen mirroring at the same time. See you in the next video.